Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the brown jumper wire in your GE dryer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Unthread the 5 screws on the panel. Any missing screws can be ordered through the links in the description below. Pull out and lift the panel from the backsplash. Detach the ground wire. Remove the brown jumper wire from the timer and extended tumble switch. Then remove the purple wire from the brown wire. To install the new brown jumper wire, plug the wire into the extended tumble switch, then attach the purple wire to the other end and plug it into the timer switch. Reattach the ground wire to the panel. Insert the panel tabs into the slots on the dryer. Rethread the 5 screws. Plug in the dryer. And your dryer should be ready for use.